POV, you've made $197,000 this December by literally just making Fortnite maps. And you guys can copy me too, because today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars every single month by literally just making Fortnite maps like this one that you see on screen here. 30 minutes ago, it had 2,000 players and it's already made $1,800. That's already $300,000 literally every 2 weeks, okay? So there's a lot of money to be made in this business, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can get started in this video, because you're going to want to watch until the end. Let me show you guys exactly how to get started. Okay, so step number one to get started making Fortnite maps and actually making lots of money, you guys need to join my Discord in the link in the description and join the map section to where you can literally just claim and get your free pre-made successful game at the palm of your fingertips. So you can literally just post these games and start making thousands of dollars, and it's completely free to do. Okay, so after you guys have joined the Discord, what I need you guys to do is search up the Epic Games launcher. This is essentially how you guys actually are going to be building games in Fortnite, because obviously Epic Games owns Fortnite and they own the Unreal Engine and they own the Unreal Editor for Fortnite. So all you guys have to do, go to Google and search up Epic Games Launcher and essentially go ahead and just press download. I've already downloaded it, so you're good to go. Once you have downloaded it, that is where the fun begins, okay? So as soon as you download it, guys, all you have to do, open up the Epic Games Launcher and search up, obviously, Fortnite. Of course, you guys can already see that I have it downloaded here, but essentially you guys would download the base game of Fortnite, right? It's completely free, like I said, guys. This is an untapped billion-dollar industry, right? Like, I've done games with the biggest people in the world, and how I'm making everyone millions of dollars is by educating you guys that you can make lots of money building games. Obviously, I have courses, obviously I have softwares that can literally do it all for you, and of course I have mentorship programs. And I also make lots of money myself doing this as well, which is why I'm able to talk confidently and motivate you and help you to get started. But anyways, let me show you what you have to do. So once you downloaded the Unreal Editor for Fortnite here, you guys can, it'll be in your library, right? You can just click onto it and you can paste in the maps. So like, for example, when you guys actually download the first game that I give you, what it's going to look like, let's go to the computer here. So if we go here, it's going to look like this, right? So if we go to one of these tycoons here, you're going to have to extract it by right-clicking, and you will import it into UEFN, if that makes sense. Okay, so once you guys have loaded into actual UEFN, what you guys can do, you can come out to, when it says My Projects at the top here, essentially what you guys can do, you can click onto Island Templates, right? And you can load up the Excel Grid Island. You guys can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to press Create. And today, I'm going to walk you guys down exactly how to build your very first Fortnite map so you guys can obviously start making money. And you do have to be 18 years old, but of course you can bypass it with your parental information, of course, right? And it's very cool how I am the only person in the entire world who's talking about the money that you can make building games. Like, I own everything. It's cool that I can make hundreds of thousands of dollars and millions of dollars for you guys by bringing you guys into the space and you guys making money from my knowledge and, you know, expertise. It's very rewarding and motivating, you know? And me and the Shaquille O'Neal family, we did a game. Me and Jinxie did one. I've done games with the biggest artists and rappers in the world, and man, like, I'm already pretty much a billionaire with what I'm doing. And people buy things because they don't know how to do something, right? So a lot of people will always come to the conclusion, right, that, hey, why are you selling information? Why don't you just do the thing that you're talking about? And to answer that question, I'm building games for the big people. I'm bringing you guys into the space. Of course, I have offers that you guys can purchase and buy that will help you, right? But it's not always needed, right? Obviously, my programs, they're needed. These programs that you're going to be paying for will literally help you, right? Okay, here we go. So this is called the Unreal Editor for Fortnite. We loaded into an Excel Grid Island, right? So essentially, this is how Fortnite building structures are placed on, right? So when you place a floor, it goes into these squares, right? It's on a quadrant grid. So that's how everything snaps. This thing here is called the content drawer. Essentially, this allows you to obviously access all of the individual props. Props are pretty much objects that you import into Fortnite, but these ones are obviously are already done and made for you, right? So we can head on into, where is the prefabs? There they are. So we can go into Anarchy Acres and we can just drag out the big shed and we can rotate it, we can copy and paste it, we can go into it, we can change the colors. There's many cool things that we can actually do in UEFN, right? And I had this conclusion, right? So a lot of people will come into your life and they'll be like, why are you just selling courses or blah, 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 right? It's because people pay for knowledge that they don't have, right? Because that is the price. That is what it's worth. It's what you believe it is worth, right? $1,000 to make thousands of dollars in the future within 90 days to make games is generational wealth. I mean, there isn't anyone in the whole world building games like you guys will be after this video, right? But essentially, now that I have taught you how to download Fortnite, how to download the Epic Games launcher, essentially, why did I drag down this big ass shed? Okay? Pretty much I'm showing you what you can actually do inside of this actual game. So obviously we can come here, we can rotate it whenever we want, we can literally just copy and paste it and drag it out, and now we have 2 of them. Let's turn off the snap. Now we will have 2 of them. Oh, I didn't copy and paste it, okay. Let me delete it real quick. Let's grab the shed. There it is, big shed. And let's copy. Okay, so it looks like we got a visual glitch here. Does not want to copy and paste, that's fine. Let's go grab something else then. So it will copy and paste, like this silo building here. Let's turn off the grid snap. Okay, there we go. Copy and paste. For some strange reason, it is not copying and pasting, but there is 2 of them there. You can prove it, right? Because if you go here, and you can say silo 2. Because if we delete one, right? Silo 2 is still here, but it's invisible, which doesn't really make any sense. Obviously, guys, there's going to be bugs with UEFN. This isn't incompetence. Usually when you're building video games, you're always going to have issues. It kind of just makes sense. Like, you're literally building a video game, right? And verse coding is involved. Obviously, guys, you guys need coding knowledge. Obviously, I have a software called Versify, which can help you. And you guys can join the Fort Mafia Inner Circle down in the comments down below. And there's thousands of people inside. It is a hefty price, but obviously it's worth it. That's why people have made millions of dollars inside of the program. The way they make actual money is obviously by knowledge and coaching and courses and content to learn to help them actually get started. Building games, of course, right? But essentially, no more yapping. Let me show you guys some more in-depth strategies to help you. All right, boys, so if we head on into Fortnite GG here, and we go on to Fortnite GG, let's just wait it to load for a bit. But essentially, all we have to do, go on to Fortnite GG, right? This is how you guys are going to get ideas to actually build your games, right? Obviously, we know that Steal the Brain Rot has made millions of dollars. Guys, look at this, right? So, if we go to this game here, this game has made over $17 million in the past 5 to 7 months alone. And it's pretty redonkulous, that's for sure. But, like, this is, like, proof that it's going to work. You guys can do it, right? Like, I'm making millions of dollars for you guys by helping you get started building games, right? So that literally means that you guys can do the same thing. So, if we go here, we can see the revenue. Obviously, it only says 14 million. That's within 6 months. And within island transactions, right? Because you guys are going to be able to sell your own custom items in Fortnite. He's going to be making around $250 million a year, right? By buying special brain rods and all that cool stuff. Go-Goated, another example. They made millions of dollars. And obviously, guys, if you want to learn, there isn't really secrets. I mean, I guess there's secrets, there's knowledge. I mean, that is why you pay for knowledge, right? So don't make a big fuss over people who sell information. You guys can literally get started in the link in the description. I just made an hour-long course 3 days ago. And if you want to get started, join Fort Mafia Inner Circle in the description. Of course, join the Discord to help yourselves get started. It's kind of cool that I can just make, you know, lots of money and talk to the biggest people in the world. I mean, I'm the only one in the whole world doing this. I own the entire space, right? Sure, I haven't made this game here, which has made $20 million, right? But I'm inspiring the next generation of people to actually achieve that, right? So I'm going to take credit for that. But that's all I really had to say, guys. I love you guys a lot, man. You know, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you guys, and God's plan, guys. More life. You guys seriously do whatever you want if you set your mind to it. I'm living proof of that. And I can't thank you guys enough. I love you guys. Peace.